Today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter in our 2011 Toyota Sienna van. So we just got this on Amazon and we'll link it below. First thing you're going to do is open the glove box. One thing it might be helpful that we didn't do is empty the glove box because all your stuff can fall out. And on the right hand side there will be a damper that you will disconnect. You just pull it right off. The next thing you'll do is you'll squeeze both the sides to release the glove box. Then you'll see the filter is right in there. Here we have our new air filter. We'll just take it out of the plastic wrap. So the next thing you'll do is remove the filter cover, and there's two little knobs. One right there, one right there, and you'll just push those in. So here's what it looks like when you're releasing it. So you'll push farther back in so that you can release these little hooks, and the whole thing will come out. And then you can grab your old air filter out. You can see ours is really dirty. It's got a lot of debris. Here's a little side-by-side comparison, the new filter and the old filter. You can see there's tons of debris in there. So you're going to want to check with your model of air filter. Ours has arrows that point down and it says airflow, so it's saying put the filter with the arrows pointing down for whichever way the airflow is going. So in our case, the airflow is going down. So we will put the filter in. We will put the filter in with the airflow arrows pointing down. There is an up arrow on the air filter cover. So you just want to make sure this is pointing up. And if you have like a Toyota filter or a different kind of filter that just has an arrow, you'll want the filter to go up. But if it says airflow with the arrow down, you'll just want to make sure that the filter is going down. Put the cover back on. Just want to make sure that you hear it click. Then you can put your box back on. You'll see that there's little hinges that will click in, and then you'll push it up and it should snap back into place. You're going to put the damper clip back on, but you can see that ours has tucked up inside, so you're going to want to pull it out and then reattach it. Make sure it clicks, and then you can close your glove box. That should be it. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs. Please subscribe. Let us know if you have any questions. Hopefully you will subscribe.